Are you tired of pedaling like you're training for the Tour de France? Enter the world of electric bikes, your new best friend in the quest for leisurely rides and effortless commutes. Forget the sweaty shirts and aching legs. These zippy wheels will turn your daily grind into an exhilarating adventure. Whether you want to breeze through city streets or conquer hilly terrain without breaking a sweat, we've rounded up the best electric bikes that will have you cruising in style. Let's roll! Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Qlife Racer Bike, our pick for best budget electric bike. If you've been dreaming of turning your daily commute from a drag to a joyride, the Qlife electric bike is about to become your new best friend. Trust us, your thighs will thank you later. You'll feel like you're commanding your own personal chariot with the 21-speed gear set that tackles everything from steep hills to lazy Sunday cruises. The 750-watt brushless motor is your secret weapon, zipping you along at up to 22 miles per hour, fast enough to make your coffee still hot when you reach the office. Whether you're feeling energetic, want a little boost, need a full chauffeur experience, or just want to strut alongside your bike, this e-bike's got your back. The LCD screen keeps you in the know, like a faithful sidekick displaying your speed, battery life, and power level. Here's the real kicker. The 36-volt battery is like that reliable friend who never lets you down. With up to 40 miles on pedal assist mode, you could literally bike to your favorite brunch spot and back without breaking a sweat. At 48.1 pounds, it's lighter than your last relationship baggage and comes with all the bells and whistles. Front suspension, lights, and reflective sheets. Because safety is sexy, right? So, ready to join the e-bike revolution? Your eco-friendly, traffic-beating, smile-inducing chariot awaits. Number 4. Vivi M026TGB, our pick for best folding electric bike. If you've been dreaming of a bike that's both mighty and mini, the Vivi M026TGB is about to become your new best friend. This isn't just any folding electric bike, it's your ticket to freedom, wrapped in a neat aluminum package that's tougher than your ex's heart. You'll feel like you've got superpowers with the peak 750-watt motor humming beneath you, ready to tackle everything from mundane Monday commutes to weekend warrior adventures. With 3 riding modes, you're basically getting 3 bikes for the price of 1. Go full electric when you're feeling lazy, pedal assist when you're feeling virtuous, or pure manual when you're channeling your inner Tour de France contestant. The 21-speed system means you'll never run out of options, while the dual suspension ensures your posterior stays happy even on the bumpiest of trails. And when it comes to stopping power, the dual disc brakes have got your back faster than your best friend with gossip. Here's the real kicker. This bad boy folds up smaller than your weekend getaway bag, making it perfect for apartment living or trunk stashing. With a 44 to 50 mile range on pedal assist, you could literally bike to brunch in the next town over. Whether you're a city slicker or trailblazer, this bike adapts to your lifestyle faster than a chameleon at a paint store. Still searching for the perfect electric bike? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Isinwheel U1, our pick for best electric bike for variable ride. Are you ready to revolutionize your daily commute with the isinwheel U1? This isn't just another e-bike, it's your new partner in urban adventure. You'll love how this 14-inch wonder tackles hills like they're mere speed bumps. Thanks to its brainy 500-watt motor that reads terrain better than your ex read your texts. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour and the ability to conquer 15 degrees inclines, you're basically getting a mountain goat in bike form. Don't let its compact size fool you. This little powerhouse packs a 36-volt 7.8 ampere-hour battery that sneakily hides in the frame. A quick 3 to 4 hour charge gives you up to 25 miles of pedal-assisted freedom. That's enough juice to get you to work, happy hour, and back home. Your storage woes? Consider them solved. This clever companion folds up smaller than your weekend carry-on, making it perfect for your cozy apartment or that tight spot in your office. Safety first, fun always. With UL 2849 and CFR 1512 certifications, dual disc brakes that grip like your grandmother's hugs, and lights that make you visible even on the darkest nights, you're in good hands. Choose your adventure style with 3 riding modes. Go full electric when you're feeling lazy, pedal assist when you're feeling collaborative, or pure pedal power when you're channeling your inner Tour de France champion. Your perfect urban companion awaits. Compact, smart, and ready to make your daily commute less of a chore and more of an adventure. Number 2. Riding Times Bike. Our pick for best electric bike for long seat. If you've ever dreamed of a bike that's part luxury cruiser, part mountain-conquering beast, you've just stumbled upon your perfect match. The Riding Times electric bike isn't just another e-bike. It's your ticket to redefining what's possible on 2 wheels. You'll feel like you're floating on a cloud thanks to the 6-level full suspension system. And that seat? It's practically a sofa on wheels, adjusting from 12 to 21.5 inches to accommodate your unique comfort needs. Whether you're built like a basketball player or a jockey, this bike's got your back. Ready to unleash your inner speed demon? The 1500-watt brushless hub motor will happily oblige, propelling you up to 28 miles per hour. Those hills that used to make you break into a cold sweat? They're now your playground, with the ability to tackle 35-degree inclines like they're mere speed bumps. With a range of up to 75 miles, you could practically cross a small country before needing a recharge. Choose between 3 riding modes. Go full electric for those "I woke up late" mornings, pedal assist for a gentle workout, or pure pedal power when you're feeling particularly energetic. The best part? You're not just buying a bike, you're investing in your daily dose of adventure. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring back roads, or just showing off around town, this e-bike turns every journey into an experience worth writing home about. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Jasion EB5, our pick for best electric bike overall. Are you ready to transform your daily commute from mundane to magnificent? Meet the Jasion EB5, your new partner in urban adventure. You'll love how this sleek beast combines brains and brawn with its 350-watt motor that'll zip you along at a peppy 20 miles per hour. The smart LCD display is your personal command center, letting you customize everything from backlight brightness to riding modes. Because who doesn't love having options? Speaking of options, you've got 4 riding modes at your fingertips. Want to work out with a boost? The pedal assist system mode's got your back. Feeling lazy? Pure electric mode lets you cruise while doing absolutely nothing. Plus, there's a nifty booster mode for those hills that usually make you question your life choices. The removable 360 watt-hours battery is your ticket to freedom, offering 25 to 40 miles of range per charge. That's enough juice to get you to work, happy hour, and back home, all while smugly passing those gas stations. Built with your comfort in mind, the EB5 sports puncture-resistant 26 inches tires, front suspension that eats bumps for breakfast, and mechanical disc brakes that'll stop you faster than your ex's wedding invitation. At just 49.6 pounds, it's lighter than your gym bag. With its minimalist design and carbon steel frame, you'll turn heads without trying. Finally, an e-bike that makes you look good while doing good for the planet. Now that's what we call a win-win. Whew, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best electric bikes. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which electric bike you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.